Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. In today's video, we're diving into the world of tax filing and payment in Sweden. Whether you're a long-time resident or new to the country, understanding the Swedish tax system is crucial for fulfilling your fiscal responsibilities efficiently. Let's take a look at what we'll cover today. First, we'll delve into the basics of tax filing in Sweden, including key dates and documents. Then, we'll explore the payment process, discussing various methods and deadlines. Finally, we'll offer tips and strategies for a smooth and hassle-free tax filing experience. Now let's start with the basics of tax filing. In this section, we'll explore the essentials of tax filing in Sweden. Every resident must file an annual tax return, with the tax year running from January 1st to December 31st. Tax returns are typically due by May 2nd of the following year, but always check for updates from the Swedish tax agency, Skatteverket. Key aspects include determining your tax status, which affects your tax regulations. You'll need to gather important documents like the pre-filled tax return form from Skatteverket, income certificates, and relevant bank statements. Review these for accuracy and include any necessary adjustments or claims for deductions. Filing is streamlined through Skatteverket's e-services, although paper filing remains an option. With these basics, you're set to navigate the tax filing process efficiently. Now that we've covered filing basics, let's move to understanding the tax payment process in Sweden. Having understood the basics of tax filing, let's now delve into the tax payment process in Sweden. Once your tax return is submitted, the Swedish tax agency, Skatteverket, assesses it and calculates your final tax liability. This process usually takes a few weeks to a couple of months. When the assessment is complete, you'll receive a tax decision notice. This notice will inform you whether you owe additional taxes or are entitled to a refund. If you have to pay more, the notice will include details on how much you owe and the payment deadlines. Typically, tax payments are due in August and December, but specific dates can vary, so it's crucial to check the notice or the Skatteverket website for exact dates. For payments, there are multiple options including online bank transfers, direct debit, and even international payments for those living abroad. Ensure payments are timely to avoid interest charges on late payments. It's important to use the correct payment reference number provided by Skatteverket to ensure your payment is correctly recorded. With your taxes paid, let's look at how to handle any discrepancies and disputes in the tax filing and payment process. In case of discrepancies or disputes with Skatteverket, your initial step is to contact them for clarification or submit a revised tax return if needed. If you disagree with their decision, you can appeal within 2 months, clearly stating your case and providing evidence. For unresolved issues, you may escalate the appeal to the administrative court. Seeking advice from a tax professional or legal advisor is advisable in these situations. For a more detailed guide on tax filing and payment in Sweden, visit our iCalculator website. We provide up-to-date information and tools to simplify your tax journey. Check the link in the description for in-depth resources. That concludes this video on filing your taxes in Sweden and our series on Swedish taxes. We hope this journey has been informative and helpful in understanding the complexities of the Swedish tax system. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.